What's going on? I got a 2015 Chevy Malibu here. Having some problems with it. I just replaced the battery. I thought it was a starter. Turns out it was the battery. Um, Drove the car for about 15 minutes. Parked it. Tried to get back in it. And this is what we have. When I start it up, let's put it on accessory just to turn it over, not completely. I'm getting all these codes. Now, none of these codes are real because the car works just fine. I had just driven it. I have a full tank of gas. And it needs serviced. And when I try to turn it over, nothing. Nothing at all. I've disconnected the battery for 10-15 minutes at a time. And got it to start 2 times that way, but most of the time it won't start at all. So at this point, I'm just kind of screwed. The car won't honk after locking it. The horn works just fine. So I'm not sure if it's some sort of anti-theft mode or not. I don't know. I'm hoping you guys could give me a hand, try to get this figured out for me if I don't get it to the dealership soon and have them figure it out for me.